Got part of the Jeep Max off. We got the left fender kind of primed. I mean, still got to work on that and that. Get all that off. That's gonna be fun. Primer leaked on me. That sucks. I don't care about this grill. I'm gonna get a new one. So I don't care if paint gets on it, but I do care if the paint gets on the lens. Got the tire cover. We got this side done. Gotta buy a new antenna. That one broke. I broke it. I didn't have masking tape at the time. I do now, but that's what I did. Duct tape. If you're lazy, don't feel like going to the store. But we got it now. So I'm definitely gonna mask off these handles. Definitely. So one tarp, Walmart, like $3. I was able to do this. I still have a whole bunch left. So I'm definitely gonna redo the hood, but I gotta do some sanding up here because look at that. That's like rust. We gotta sand that away, make it look nice again if we can. RTV. We got Bondo. We're also gonna Bondo this right here. Those two holes. We don't want rain getting in there. I'm doing everything backwards as heck.